a master kill switch for the battery and the fuse block. In a Honda, remove the alternator charge wire that ends up feeding the battery. Solder your 4-gauge wire to it. Then on the back of the switch, you'll run your battery input and your charge wire, that white wire that used to run here. Run those both to your battery input and your alternator charge to the same lug. And then on the other lug, your starter and your fuse block power. And that's it. Ignore the 4 posts that I also have. Put your battery and your alternator charge wire to the top post, and off the bottom post to complete your current for your car, your starter, and your fuse block power.